Hey folks, this is Watson from 911 Studios. Today we're going to take a look at the VIZIO soundbar for the TV, a 36-inch 5.1 channel home theater surround sound system with wireless subwoofer and Bluetooth. Nice. It's got about 1,500 ratings on Amazon with an average of 4.2 out of 5 stars. Very nice. This package weighs a little over 23 pounds and has brilliant performance and clarity with 6 powerful speakers for a truly immersive 5.1 surround sound experience. So you've got the deep booming bass of the subwoofer, a dedicated center speaker which delivers crystal clear dialogue so you don't miss a word, and rear surround speakers for that truly immersive experience. And DTS Virtual, a sound enhancement that creates room-filling, floor-to-ceiling virtualized 3D surround sound. Nice. And the Slim Subwoofer allows for discrete positioning, so you can find that sweet spot for the bass in your room. Now let me share with you a fantastic review by a verified purchaser, JF Gagnon. I am impressed. Sound quality, clarity of voices, power, and price. I used to have mid-range receivers and 5.1 speakers set. Tried a few without finding the right setup. Voices/talk were muffled, sound was average, and for my needs and tastes they had never been close to this soundbar. Wireless subwoofer is great, no issues, and lots of bass. Very happy overall. Highly recommended. Well, there you go. You can pick up this nice little setup on Amazon Prime, which means free shipping and free delivery. So order today. You're going to love this sound.